In this video, we will show you how to set the schedule on the ECOSO Connect Wi-Fi Thermostat. First of all, select the heater from within the ECOSO app and then press the settings button. Select week program. You will now be presented with a list showing days of the week, Monday through to Sunday, as well as 4 settable periods for each day. Select the first period you wish to edit. Select the time of day you wish the thermostat to operate at. And select the desired room temperature you would like any connected devices to reach. Click Save. You can then set a second period. Once again, set the time. And select the desired room temperature for that time. Repeat the process for the remaining periods of the day if required. If you wish for a schedule to repeat over multiple days, press and hold the currently selected date. A pop-up will appear and select the days you'd like it to be repeated on and press confirm. Once you're happy with the set schedule, press the back button to return to the main menu.